Let's connect your Colorscaping transformer using the My WAC Lighting app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download the My WAC Lighting app. You can also scan a QR code provided here. Once downloaded, tap on the My WAC icon. If you already have these apps, use your credentials to sign into the My WAC app. If you are a new user, sign up to use the app and log in. The first step is to create a location. A location could be your primary residence, rental property, or summer home. The zip code provided will be used to determine your time zone, adjust for daylight savings, and use your sunset and sunrise times. The drop-down menu at the top allows you to switch between locations. Select the location you would like to start adding devices to. Choose the device you want to add. Select Wired if you have a wired Ethernet connection to your transformer. If you select Wi-Fi, make sure to have the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi enabled, as the transformer will not connect to a 5 GHz network. Make sure your mobile phone or tablet is connected to the same 2.4 GHz wireless network that you intend to connect the Colorscaping transformer to. Enter your password and continue. Scan the QR code located on the inside cover of the transformer. Name your transformer. If you have multiple transformers, provide a distinctive name for each transformer. For example, Transformer A. Next, connect your transformer to the cloud. This will allow you to control the transformers from anywhere in the world. You will now be taken to the My WAC app home screen. You will be prompted to discover all the fixtures currently connected to your transformer. Your fixture list will automatically populate with all the fixtures connected to the transformer, their connected status, and a name indicating the type of fixture. To change the light output on a fixture, tap the fixture in the list. A dialog will appear, allowing you to adjust the fixture's output. The default color palette will display. There are 12 default colors and 4 tunable white options. Selecting any of these will immediately change the output of the fixture. You can also adjust the intensity using the slider. To rename a fixture, select the setting icon. This view also provides you with the option to physically locate your fixture. Activating the Find Me feature by tapping the button at the bottom of the screen will trigger the fixture to flash repeatedly, so you can quickly identify the fixture. If you have other Colorscaping transformers, repeat the prior steps to install additional transformers before continuing. Next, select the Groups tab. A group is a set of fixtures you want to control as one virtual circuit. There is a default group called All Default that gives you immediate control of all the fixtures in your location. To create a new group, tap the plus sign. Select Group. Create your desired group name. Select the fixtures to add to this group and save. You can also add this group as a favorite so you can easily access it through the Favorites tab on the My WAC home screen. Select a preset or swipe right to see a color wheel or a HSV RGB option. Next, you can create an automation or scene. For example, setting up your everyday lighting, holiday display, or favorite team colors. Tap the plus icon from the My WAC home screen. Select the fixtures and/or groups to add to the scene and choose the color. Name your automation and choose if you would like to make it a favorite. To create a schedule, tap the menu icon and select Schedule. Tap the plus sign. Name your schedule and select if you would like to enable it. Select if you would like to create a schedule to run daily or on specific days, and to be activated based on sunrise and sunset times. Use action to pick the scene or automation you want activated. If you want to control your Colorscaping system using your voice, go to the Settings page, select Third-Party Integration, and follow the steps listed. Your Colorscaping system is now set up and ready to use. For technical support, contact us or visit waclighting.com youtube.com/colorscaping.